Alright guys, before we get started here, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing plenty of videos of how to work on appliances at home. We'll get started with this video. Alright, so what we've got here is a standard cool top stove. Go ahead and lift this top up. Whenever you're wanting to lift up these lids, there's just two metal pieces right here. They'll pop out and it'll catch it and hold it in place for you while you're working on it. Make things a whole lot more simpler. So the issue is this one doesn't work and this one's just burned up. So we're going to replace these two. Very simple process. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, always make sure your appliances are unplugged. Like I said, when I'm doing my videos, they're outside of here, never plugged up. I'll plug them in and I'll test it, troubleshoot it, bring it here and we'll fix it. So all you're going to want to do is come around to the back here. There'll be a couple 1/4 inch steps right here at the top. We're going to take off here. Grab those, sit those off to the side so that they're not getting lost. Sometimes I'll have one in the middle there. This will be the middle one. Not an issue, but sit these off to the side here. Alright, so we come around to the back here. I'm gonna be careful doing this. On this model, it's got a plastic clip on both sides that we're gonna sit off. Pop that open, and once you've got that open, if you want to, there's a lot of times there's 2 bolts on the bottom. I'm just gonna bend it over here because it's an easier process. So come over here to this orange one. This orange one's burned up, so we're gonna unplug it. I suppose we'll unplug this then. Let's get this out. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a purple. This one is just a purple. Alright, so once you got that, I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in here. Slide it back over the light indicator right there. It just slides over the back of it. See if I can get you a better view of that. It just slides over just like that right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this orange one and I'm going to feed it through. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our new one. I got to replace the blue one. So we got another one here. You can see the blue one's tore up. And these are real good shape. So what we're going to do, feed this orange one back through here. So once we fed it through, just plug it right back in. Just like the other one, it clips right in, and that one's good to go. All you do is, you can see right here, there's a groove on both sides. It pops right in place. So we'll come around here to the blue one and do the same thing, make it a little easier. We'll just pull the blue one through the back, through the hole right here. Set that clip going off to the side there. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna run this blue one through the hole here, back to back. Once you've got it through, make sure you're not tangled up in no wires or nothing. Freely pull that through there. We'll come right over here. And we'll clip that one in. It's a very simple process. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and pop this back over right here. Come around here. Pop that in place. Is you take these two things just like I stated in the beginning. They just hold your top up, slide the top in place. Grab these clips right here. This one right here is a little bit different than other models. This one's a little tricky to clip this. Pops right over the side there. On these, they just slide on the bottom. Literally just has a groove that slide it in just like that. Alright, so once we've got that, I'm just gonna slide everything in place here. This one slides around it, and that's where the bolt goes right there. Grab our bolts. Like I stated at first, very easy process. People throw an entire stove away for one bad burner. No need for all that. I'm gonna slap one in the middle here. A little extra. I'm gonna go ahead and put this last one over here. And that's how you replace the cool tops on a standard cool top stove.